Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 2008 GT500 Shelby. It's finished in black. It's got the red stripes, black and red interior. It's a 3-owner car, always pampered. Some nice extras. And we do have all the original parts. I think the wheels are really killer. These are 20s on the back. There's staggered fitment. So you got 20s on the back there, and in the front there's 20s. These are 255s up front, and then you got 285s in the rear. Killer. Ford Racing exhaust. Killer sound. I'll start it up for you in just a second. Here's your original window sticker. The car does have some work done to it. We got 521 horsepower at the wheel and 504 pounds of torque to the wheel. Got the headers, X-pipe. Supercharger pulley was done also. Cold air intake, headers, and you have an Xcalibrator tune as well. And then we got the spring kit and installation of the springs. The car is pretty well loaded too. It's Shaker 1000, which I never ever see. It's very, very rare. Ambient lighting, alloy tape stripe, HID headlights, satellite radio for a complete window sticker of 51705. The car is stunning. Great options. Beautiful condition. Always garaged, never driven in rain. Interior complements the exterior very well. Black and red. Embossed Shelby logo. Car is very fast, very fun. Showing 19,266 miles. Definitely has a mean sound. Shaker 1000. Got the matching coordinated GT500 shift ball. There's your ambient lighting. You can switch it to all different color lights. Show you under the hood. Back seat's gorgeous. We also have all the billet covers and caps, washer fluid, oil cover, radiator, power steering, and it also has the Shelby dipstick. There's your C&L cold air intake. Guys, thank you so much for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give us a buzz. We're at 631-339-0399. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.